Okay, so it turns out I never saved the scene, so I'm just gonna quickly do it again. It will most likely be a time lapse, but you should already know how to do this, so or you should already have the scene. I'm just gonna do it now and I'll see you when I'm done. All right. Well, I think this sets it up, so we're just gonna start looking at what we did. Since the tape, I think we haven't been here yet, so we're just gonna kind of like inspect and see what we can change, what we can add, what we can remove, just like we've been doing. So I'm looking here. Let's see. Obviously, this has no roughness variation, but I quite like the color. You can see the little blue. One sec. Yeah, you can see the little red, the little blue right here, just like the reference. The red, the little blue green-ish thing going on. Let's look up here. Same thing. You can see the discoloration really nicely. And I also think that maybe the noise is fine. Again, we can always come back, but I feel like for now it's fine. Let's look at the tape. This tape, scrumptious. But we will we will do some more work on it because I think tapes like this, they have less height and more like a little fold on them, so we'll add that in maybe in a little bit or in the future, like a future video. Just like this one. I think the height is too much, man. I almost want to turn it off. Maybe even the dirt around it is too much. So we'll fix that. And I might also take it out from here and put it somewhere else, because I kind of would want this to be, the tape to be floating on this, like, you know, because there's a dip, but I don't know how that would be possible. Maybe I would have to test it out and see if I can do it. But for now, I think everything is looking good, minus the tape, and we can move on to like the roughness variation and stuff like that on the front side. Yeah, I think everything is good. Oh, one more thing I want to do. I want to add this onto the folder for the body, so we can, because I don't think it would be that much different. You know, we can always hand paint some stuff, but I want to add the handle onto the body folder. Yeah, but I think it's looking good. Everything is looking scrumptious, I would say. Let's look at our flower. I feel like it could be kind of less rough. Maybe not, maybe not. But I think it's good. Again, I'll revisit if I have to, but for now, I think it's fine. Yeah. And when I was doing it, I missed the opportunity to make a Bob Ross happy little tree type of thing, but maybe next time. Yeah, so we can continue on. We'll do some roughness now. So for roughness, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna add a new fill layer and call it roughness 1. I think that should be good. And we're gonna turn off everything but roughness. And I'm gonna add a black mask and add a fill. So let's see, what can we use? I'm gonna delete the noise thing. Let's see. These need to load faster. What is this? Could we try this? Now I kind of want a procedural actually. You have sand, plaster. This might look interesting. Because why not? Let's see. Is this frozen? Oh god, no. Let me save actually. Alright. Put it on triplanar and let's see, tile it down. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's leave it 0.5 for now. Balance, play with the balance a little bit. Let's see. I don't, let's see. Play with the roughness. Not bad. Not too bad. Let's try 0.5. Maybe that's too much. Yeah. Maybe 0.4. Hold on. Let me see something. I'll keep this like this for now, and we'll just to be able to see what I'm doing. I think I'll use a different one instead. Let's see. Can try this. Kind of want to put this on default again. Let's see. Maybe the tiling is the default is 1. I don't know why I put it on 2. Maybe the tiling is too much. 0.7. Maybe. Yeah, why not? Alright, so I'm gonna put this maybe a bit more. Let me turn off the color for now. Yeah. Let's see. That is too much, but I think I'll keep it 0.7. I'll lower the opacity for it. Okay, so I'm gonna man, this is, let's add a paint. Let me put on multiply. Put the fill layer on there's a spider next to me. I'll put the layer on multiply and we'll just paint. Where's my cement brush? Cement brush. Alright. Flow, lower the flow, lower the angle, jitter, position, and I guess the size is fine as well. Let's see. I'll actually paint like this, just in random places. I still think it's too much. Like obviously, like I'm gonna lower the opacity, but for like for the start, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Maybe something like this. Let me see. I'm gonna go to the roughness right here, and I'm gonna lower the opacity. Let's see. That's a lot. Let's see. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'm just gonna name it roughness 2. And I'm gonna just duplicate this. Or is it duplicate layers? And I'm gonna name it roughness 1 and put it in respective order. So I'm gonna get rid of this mask. Let's see. Remove mask. There you go. And for this, I'm gonna find something to put right inside the roughness channel. And I think that will serve me better as like a head start. I guess a head start is not the word, but let's see. I want something with like nice contrast. Maybe this? It's not really that nice, but we can look into it. Put it on triplanar. Oh, so we drag it right into the roughness channel. And I'm gonna put on triplanar just to see how it's looking. Because I don't know how much I like it. So right now what is happening is wherever it's black is like really glossy, and wherever it's white it's really rough. So I think I'm gonna mess with the blending modes. Division, divide. Let's see. Let's try overlay. Oh man. Lower the opacity. I guess I can kinda go with this, but I don't know if I like all the little splashes of roughness. I want something different. So I'm gonna put this back on normal, and we'll find another one. Let's see. I can't tell. I guess I'll just have to choose one. this maybe? No, that's not, it's not good. Let me type no. Maybe this. Let's try something like this. This has 0 contrast. It's almost gonna be like very glossy, which I guess kind of look like this, but again, I'm not going for this look. I'll lower the opacity again and put it on overlay. Let's see, go to the roughness channel. It really doesn't do anything. I actually hate this. Put it back on normal. All right, let's find one that's good. Let's try this one. Let's see, some stuff going on here, some here. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna put it back on overlay and lower the opacity. Just a little bit much. I guess I could put like a levels right here and target the roughness. Right click, add levels, and in affected channel just put roughness. Let's see, turn down the white just a bit. Let's see, roughness. I can also go back in here and lower it really down. Yeah, something like this is not too bad. But let's try 5. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to Marmoset and see, because right now I'm really not liking any of this. And I'm also gonna save before I go over there. And let's see. I mean, you can kind of see things, right? Maybe. Yeah, I can kind of see things. I guess you can call this like the first roughness variation. Because that, I don't know if yeah, I can kind of see what's going on here. When the light hit it nicely, it will look very good. Yeah, so we'll call this a start for now. Yeah, I think it's fine for what it is. All right, let's go back. Turn. I wasn't even on ray tracing. Can we still see it? Yes, yes. All right, yeah, I think it's fine. For what it is, like for a first roughness pass, I think it's fine. Yeah. Like I wish it had more like contrasty type of texture look, but for what it is as like the first roughness layer, will be okay. All right. So for the second one, we can try something similar, but I'll just turn this one on just to see what's happening. This one is more contrasty, obviously, so it should look slightly better, I think. So yeah, let's see. I want it to be a higher roughness, so maybe not that high. 0.65. Yep. Yeah, I think this is not looking too bad. Maybe here. I'm gonna remove whatever is here because I want this exact pattern going on. This like this, so I'm just gonna do it with a stencil so we can have this look. All right, so I'm just gonna remove it from here for now and just put it elsewhere like this. Let's see. Yeah, I believe this is fine. I think. Yeah, this should be okay. Yeah, I think I was hating it, but for now, I think it's fine. Yeah, I like how it's looking here. Let's see, is it this layer? It's this layer. Maybe we'll put it on like 7 instead. Ah, that's too much. I think 5 was fine. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's fine. So now I just gotta find the good stencil that we could use for this. I mean, I have so many of these. Let's see, this look like, no. Maybe this? No. Let's see. Maybe something from this. We might be able to use. All right. Let's see. Add a new paint, and I'm just gonna drag this into the stencils. Let's see. Can we find something? I don't. Maybe. These are very low res though. Let's try it. So it goes like this. I'm gonna paint with white. Yeah, I can almost see it. So I'll save this layer for now, and I'll make a new paint just to test out a different thing. A different stencil. Maybe something like this. No. Yeah, I think for now I think for now we'll just keep what we have. We'll keep what we have. Let's see what. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it, and then I'm gonna go and add a new filter and add a sharpen just to bring everything out just a little bit. Yep. Yep, that looks about right. And I'm gonna add a levels, and let's see what can we do with that. Maybe turn off sharpen first. Make the whites a bit more white, more contrasty. Now I'm gonna turn on sharpen. Yep, not too bad. I kind of want this to be a bit darker, so what I'm gonna do is add a color to this, and let's see, go back to the base color and try multiply. Multiply is usually nice. My two favorites is multiply and what's the other one? Overlay. Those two are nice. So I'm just gonna lower the color just a bit. Something like this. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna paint out what's going on here. So let's see, paint. Get rid of the stencil. I'm just gonna go like this. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. Sick. Alright, I'm gonna test it out and see what it looks like in Marmoset before we end this video. And I'm gonna save as well. Alright. I'm gonna turn on ray tracing and let's see. You can see the change in color, but not too much in the roughness, which I don't think I'm a big fan of. I kind of want the roughness to like show up more. Yeah, so we might do a little bit more work on this. This is nice. I think I like this, but down here I kind of want more. At least for this part, you know. So for now, I'll just call this okay, and in the next video, we'll come back and try to make it look better. All right, sick.